Welcome back. In this video we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and in this programming challenge the job will be a use of for loop to display only natural number from 1 to 50. Okay, for that we were going to use a shell script. So let's go inside a shell script and I will keep the name what the name has given in HackerRank of this problem, looping with numbers. Previously in one of our videos you have seen the use of a for loop. Today in this video again we are going to use a for loop, but in a different way. We are just going to iterate a number from 1 to 50. How we are going to do that? For that, for loop space I, after that n, open brace 1 2 dot, and after the last value up to that you want to iterate 50. Do, and here I am going to write echo $I. From I we are initializing between 1 to 50, and last done. Here I am going to create one space to understand. Now save it. So first, now I have to give a command, executable permission, right? Executable permission is given. Now let's execute this one. Then you can see that between 1 to 50 value is iterated. Now this is again one of the programming challenges of HackerRank was solved. This is the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and in the next video again we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching ADHYAN channel. Thank you.